I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate units in Skibidi Tower Defense. To begin, simply select the unit you want to duplicate. You'll need to have enough in-game currency, usually around 500 to 1,000 coins, depending on the unit's rarity. Once selected, look for the duplicate button, often represented by two overlapping squares. Click it, and a copy of your unit will appear, ready to be placed. This is a fantastic way to quickly strengthen your defenses and prepare for tougher waves. Moving on to more advanced tactics, consider using items that reduce duplication costs. Some in-game buffs can cut the price by as much as 25%, making it much more efficient. Prioritize duplicating your most powerful units, such as legendary or mythic characters, especially when you have a strong economy. Timing is also key. Try to duplicate during quieter moments between waves to avoid being overwhelmed, while your resources are temporarily lower. This approach maximizes your defensive power. Now, let's talk about avoiding common mistakes. One frequent error is trying to duplicate a unit when you don't have enough currency. Always check your coin balance first. Another pitfall is not having enough space on the map. New units need an open tile to be placed. Make sure you have at least one empty spot. Finally, always confirm you've selected the correct unit. Accidentally duplicating a weak unit instead of a powerful one can set you back significantly. A quick check saves valuable resources. To truly optimize your duplicated units, strategic placement is paramount. Don't just clump them together. Spread them out to cover multiple lanes or reinforce areas where enemies tend to break through. Pair your duplicated units with support towers that offer buffs like increased damage or attack speed to create powerful synergies. With a higher unit count, you can establish formidable choke points, allowing you to eliminate even the toughest enemy waves much more quickly and efficiently. This strategy will significantly boost your overall defense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.